Welcome to the series of How To.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of how to draw with PowerPoint. So in this video I'm going to teach you like how we can draw this tree using the PowerPoint shapes and figures here. Okay, so this is the final output what we are going to come up with. So let's get started. So I'm going to take a blank page. So the first and foremost thing I might have to do is to draw the uh, bark, the stem of the tree. Okay, so I'm going to pick a rectangle. I'm going to edit the points. I'm going to add point. I'm going to add two more points and just drag it one to the right and one to the left. Edit points again, add point here and add point here. Slightly alter it to make it look like a tree. Okay, and same thing I'm going to do here as well. I am going to add a point and I will add one more point so that we can drag it a bit further and add point and add point. So at any point of time I can still modify the shapes even if it goes wrong on the first run. So similarly I will add points here as well and I'll drag it to the top. I'll add one more point. So one goes to the left and the other goes to the right. Okay, and I think we might need one more level of branching here. Okay, I will add point. Okay, add point here as well, and I think this can go further to the right. Add point, add point. Okay, fine. And maybe I think this one might need to have two additional branches. Add point and I'll add point here as well to make it two distinct branches. And as I told, we can alter the shape at any point of time. If you think the shape is not quite good enough, you can still add further points to make it look like a tree. Okay, so this is our stem. Okay, so I'll just make it slightly smaller and yeah, just place it here. Okay, so the next part is we need to draw the leaves and then the stalk. Okay, I'll take a fresh page. I'll just delete these two content. First I'm going to draw a leaf. Okay, so I just took this oval, the circle shape, I just made it look like an oval. I'm going to edit the points again and I am just going to drag it to the right and then this point to the left. Okay, so this now looks almost like a leaf, and I will draw one more leaf, edit points, drag it to the right, and then this one drag it to the left. Okay, now this looks more or less like a leaf. Okay, so with these two leaves, I would need a stalk where these two leaves can hang in, right? So I'm going to take another rectangle, edit the points, add point here, and drag it to the top, make it thin like a needle, and of course even this one has to go a bit inwards. Okay, so these leaves are going to hang in this stalk, right? So let me make it slightly smaller. So this is 1 and this is 2. Just select these two, copy, paste. You don't need to draw each and every leaves. Select all these 4, copy, paste, put it here, or else just group it and go to format, rotate and flip horizontal. So now this curved part gets in. So just keep it here, slightly touching this needle, and copy one more time, slightly rotate it, and copy one more time, paste it and flip horizontal. Now you have the other side of the leaf, and copy and paste it and make it look vertical. Okay, so this is how our leaves would look like. So let me color these leaves so that I don't need to redo it again the later part, right? So I'm going to pick dark green here, obviously, and I'm going to remove the outline. And for this one, I'm going to give dark. I'm just going to give the black color, and of course, I have removed the outline as such. So this is our set of leaves. Okay, so I'm going to select everything and group it together. Okay, that's good. Just save your work. Just copy this image, this set of things, whatever you have done, this group, copy it, go to the next page, make this page empty, paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to make this group look smaller. So shift and down, shift and left, shift and down, shift and left. So likewise, if I do it, I'll just shrink it to this size. Okay, just have a copy of it somewhere to your left. Just copy that, paste it, bring it here, copy that, paste it, put it slightly here, copy that, paste it, turn it to the left. You are just going to fill in all these spaces, right? Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, turn it bit more, Control C, Control V, and turn this one to your left. Okay, so now you have got a bunch of leaves here. Just select everything, group it again, keep it here, Control C, Control V. Okay, Control C, Control V. Just put it here. Control C, Control V. Just put it here as well. Control C, Control V, turn it to the left, bring it here. Control C, Control V. So you almost got a bunch of leaves here. Okay, so now one more time group all this cluster together. Okay, I think I just missed this one as such. Okay, I'm just grouping it again. So just copy this, just keep it to the left, copy this, paste it here, paste it to the right, and what I'm going to do is like I'm going to shrink it even further. Okay, so this is nice. Just I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back to this tree, this empty tree. I'm going to give this a black background and I'm going to remove the outline as such. I'll just paste it here. Okay, slightly small. Copy, paste it again, turn it slightly to the right, copy and paste it again. You just have to turn it slightly to make it look random, right? Control C, Control V again. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, pasting it again. Pasting it again here. I'll just turn it to the right. Okay, now we have a tree ready. Let me save my work. Now let me bring some background to this, right? So let me place this tree on the soil. Okay, so I just grouped it all together. I am going to take a semicircle, just place it right here. Okay, and of course you can still edit those points, right? So you can add the points to make it look slightly uneven. Add point again, make it look slightly uneven. Maybe something like this. Okay, now let me add some dark brown color and no outline as such. Okay, now the tree is happily sitting on this soil, and as part of the finishing touch, right, so I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Fill this entire square, I mean fill this entire sheet. I'm going to format the shape, bring in the gradient fill. So this one would be amber, and this one would be yellow, and this one would be yellow again, and this one would be amber. So now I just got this gradient look feel. Okay, and of course I'll remove the outline and I'll send this back. So now you have this tree standing on this soil with this beautiful background. So this is something like what we wanted to achieve. So here I did come up with more patterns of tree leaves. Okay, so this is just a subset of it. If you add more leaves, it looks more healthy. Okay, So that's all, guys, for this video. uh, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, please hit like, and also please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any future videos. Thank you.